Welcome, everyone, to Global FX Radio's Market Wrap-Up Show YouTube. I'm your host, Andrew Spanton. Wednesday, April 29th, 2009. What a day. What a day. What a doggone day. Can you say follow through? Can you say bullish engulfing? Can you say GDP out of the U.S. a disaster? But there's a silver lining. Consumer spending apparently is up 2.1%. A shocker, sending the stock market again. The futures were up, telling us the market was going to be up. Game plan was to perfection. Got out of everything before the announcement. GDP was terrible. Bought the pullback, and bang, to the moon, baby. Then the FOMC coming out. That was just nuts, and obviously saying 1.5 trillion. Bond yields went up. 10-year 311, busting out. Fed's not going to be able to stop rates from going up. So again, but euro dollar again, daily chart. Broke through major channel line resistance. Next channel line resistance I see, we could be talking about 135.50. Why not? End the month strong, baby. That would be something. I don't know if it's going to get that high, but euro dollar does look good, and I see continuation. How high we go? That's the money lot. Take some off, though, 100, 150 pip winners. Oh, look at this beauty. Look at this dollar yen. TTMA to the moon, the hammer. Like we said yesterday, it never even took out the lows. It never even went lower. You were instant gratification, people. Instant gratification. And again, remember, in June, I'm going to bring back my premium, my 3-month deal. So hopefully some of you, well, I know a lot of you have already said you're going to come in. But again, and like I said, I feel bad for some of you people that were premium. You lost some money maybe. You missed out on days like today. You got to stick with me over the long term. It's never going to work. No, or premium members that didn't, hobby traders that missed it. Days like today pay for a lot of choppy days. Make the month. So, I feel bad that some of you have lost money, but, you guys stick with me over the long term. In the long run. Oh, let me delete this. Oh, come on. I don't want that. All right. So, again, this dollar yen going higher. Over takes out 98. I'd say... I'd say maybe 99. 99. Only another 120 pips. Why the hell not? El Cable, sterling dollar, pound dollar, going up. Talk about catch up. Look at this. What is that? 6-day high? I know it looks like a head and shoulder. I see it. I see it. But I also see something else. I see dollar index collapsing. We'll get to that in a second. I see uptrend channel line. I see breakout. I see take out today's highs and TTMA. To the moon, Alice. To the freaking moon. So I think 153. I know that doesn't perfect. Listen, I got my mojo back. I can feel it. I can feel it. People, I'm ready for a run. If you haven't gone premium yet, this is probably a good time to do it. I'm going to get a nice little run here because you know what? It's chip or roll tonight. And you know what? We're going to do a little differently tonight. We're not going to sell right at 5 o'clock. I'm going to wait for after the Obama press conference because it happened last time. They ripped everything up. Then they just collapsed them, and then they ripped them up again. That was the last press conference. So I think the stage is set for the same thing. Stock market was up big, pulled back nicely. So, some bears maybe out there. But, again, the stock market's going up. Nice close. Got over 8,200 in the Dow. This cable, beautiful uptrend channel. Going up, baby. Pound numbers, that CBI realized sales number, that was an awesome number. New Zealand dollar. We'll see what happens to this baby. I think they're going to cut by 25. New Zealand explodes. I could be wrong. Won't be the first time. But I had the Aussie the last time. Oh, yeah. That's cable. Euro sterling. Cable really became the relative strength winner late in the day. Euro sterling had a little bit of a doji here. Again, nice resistance it hit. Euro sterling, the numbers at Eurozone really nothing to write home about. German unemployment rate coming out tonight, that should be a terrible number. Terrible. Canadian number also, I think this Canadian dollar looks like it's going to bust through 120 big time. You want to see a head and shoulders? I'll show you head and shoulders. So anyway, resistance here, 90.50 and 90.20. Should we break through here? This whole take our previous day high, that's going to look good. Otherwise, it looks like a doji to me. We get bearish engulfing. Cable becomes the relative strength winner. That's what I'm calling for tonight. All right. So, sorry I'm yelling. I know. Affects things. What was I going to show you? Dollar Canada. And again, if you have any questions about going premium, feel free to email me at info, I-N-F-O, at globalfxradio.com. We'll be more than happy to answer any questions. The radio program today didn't really make it. I didn't reboot my computer before. But I do think that looking at, look at this. You want to see Head and Shoulders? That's gorgeous. Downtrend channel. We're going to bust through this 120 tonight like butter. Held it today. Look at that downtrend channel. Look at that neckline. Don't tell me that's not Head and Shoulder. Beautiful Head and Shoulder. That is going to melt tonight. Absolutely. Any rallies? Now, again, I think it breaks, and I think you cover it. GDP, I think, is going to be terrible. I think then you sell the dollar Canada after GDP. We might break and go to 119.50 or something like that, but I don't know. The real Momo, the real collapse, I think, comes after GDP. I give you that one for free. For free? No refunds ever. All right, Euro Yen. What a day. That Euro Yen was some move, huh? Oh, baby. The hammer. Never look back. We bought that right away. Well, I looked for a pullback, but yeah, you couldn't. It was gone. Dollar Yen was gone. Look at this. Breaking the downtrend channel. Stock market making new multi-month highs. Breaking this whole downtrend channel. How can you not be bullish? To the moon, Alice. To the freaking moon. Going up. So looking at that, New Zealand, how's she going out? Pull back. New Zealand pulling back a little bit, but still looking good. All right, so again, Euro Yen going higher. Any pullbacks maybe to 128.50 is a buy, 129. Use the round numbers, I guess. Pound Yen. Oh, baby. Pound Yen. Going, gone. Look at this beautiful uptrend channel. Listen, the stock market's going to rip like this. This baby could rip. Dennis Gartman calling for 125 on the 115 on dollar yen. Still, we're a long way from home on this baby. We got some room. This could be the start of a major run in the carry trade. If this stock market really is going up, and I'm a bear on the carry trade, you know that. But I look at these charts, and these look freaking awesome. New Zealand yen, probably a nice buy ahead of that, ahead of the rate decision. It's ticking up a little bit as I speak. Look at that. Beautiful bullish engulfing, clearing a 6-day high. These charts look phenomenal. There's got to be follow-through. I just can't imagine. If we don't have follow-through today, we'll have follow-through tomorrow. But these charts look awesome. Luna Yen, take a look at that one. Boom, to the moon. Can you say 84? Can you say uptrend channel? You see hammer, bullish engulfing like this? Almost every time you get a hammer, you get a move like this, what happens? There's usually a continuation. Take a look. Almost every time we get some sort of reversal day, this one is too much of a bottom, but you get that kind of a hammer. And you look at here. Usually, obviously, from a real sharp pullback like here. Pullback here, obviously, we did not have follow-through. But usually when you get this kind of burst high, there's a 3-day move I'm looking for. Again, sterling yen, let's take a look at a shorter looking chart because I love this baby. Hourly chart, I got time. Got over a minute and a half left. May as well give it to you. Hourly chart, again, easily could pull back. It's triple roll. I'm looking to sell it into an explosion. Maybe we get up to like 140. Maybe the Obama effect gets us up to 145 tonight. And then I think we pull back down maybe to 144, 140, even 143.50. It would be beautiful. Let it catch up to the moving averages. So I'm not saying to run out and buy it. I think we probably, again, futz around. I'm saying that triple roll is going to work tonight, but we're doing it a little different tonight. Okay? Triple roll, we're waiting till right before Obama's press conference, getting out of any longs we have, and then getting short into an explosion, should that explosion happen. Again, if you have any questions about going premium, feel free to email me at info@globalfxradio.com. The bottom line here, people, again, the Fed's buying treasuries, it's buying mortgage-backed securities, $1.5 trillion. It's not working. This whole thing is going to crap. Bond yields are exploding, 3.11. It's not working. But again, the stock market's going up. Everyone loves it. We're going to go with it. Andrew Spanton, info@globalfxradio.com. The only voice you'll ever need in Forex that makes you money. Kick butt last night, baby. Have a good one. Tonight.